Welcome back, fellow enthusiasts of natural remedies and botanical wonders. Today, we embark on a journey into the fascinating world of Brahmi farming. Brahmi, scientifically known as Bacopa monnieri, is a revered herb in traditional Ayurvedic medicine, celebrated for its cognitive-enhancing properties and a plethora of health benefits. Join us as we unravel the secrets of cultivating this miracle herb, step by step. Before delving into cultivation, let's acquaint ourselves with Brahmi. Native to the wetlands of India, Brahmi is a perennial herb with succulent leaves and small white flowers. Its name, derived from the Hindu god Brahma, signifies its association with intellect and wisdom. Brahmi thrives in moist, shaded areas with rich, loamy soil. Choose a spot in your garden or farm that receives partial sunlight and has access to water. Avoid areas prone to waterlogging, as Brahmi prefers moist but well-drained soil. Prepare the soil by loosening it with a spade or a tiller to improve aeration and drainage. Incorporate organic matter such as compost or well-rotted manure to enrich the soil with essential nutrients. Aim for a slightly acidic to neutral pH level for optimal growth. Brahmi can be propagated through seeds or cuttings. For quicker results, opt for stem cuttings taken from healthy, mature plants. Plant the cuttings in shallow trays filled with moist soil and keep them in a warm, shaded area until they develop roots. Once the cuttings have rooted, transplant them into the prepared soil at a spacing of about 6 to 12 inches apart. Gently press the soil around the roots and water thoroughly to settle the plants in their new environment. Maintaining adequate moisture levels is crucial for Brahmi cultivation. Water the plants regularly, especially during dry spells, but avoid waterlogging. Mulching can help retain soil moisture and suppress weed growth. Brahmi can be harvested once it reaches a height of 6 to 8 inches. Harvest the leaves as needed by snipping them off with scissors or pruning shears. Regular harvesting promotes bushier growth and ensures a continuous supply of fresh leaves. And there you have it, fellow herbalists and gardeners, a comprehensive guide to Brahmi farming. By following these steps, you can cultivate this remarkable herb right in your own backyard or farm and reap the numerous benefits it has to offer. Whether you're seeking to enhance your cognitive function or simply appreciate the beauty of nature's bounty, Brahmi is sure to delight and inspire. Join us again as we continue to uncover the marvels of agriculture here on Discover Agriculture. Until next time, happy farming!